It was really, really good and a lot of fun. I got way more than what I expected to get out of the course.
And I learned more in the last week than I did just scouring online for the past few years, for sure.
If you're in an industry like repairs or you're a computer shop or a cell phone shop, it is definitely highly recommended because you're going to have a good amount, probably 20% of the devices that you won't be able to do anything and you have to ship off.
I think it's an incredibly valuable skill that more people should learn. Absolutely.
So yeah, in the course, you'd learn so much more compared to trying to figure this stuff out yourself. You definitely get the value for sure compared to trying to figure this stuff out yourself and actually getting the proper explanation. And they do a very good job of explaining it to you as the way you learn.
It was really, really good and a lot of fun. If you're considering signing up, you should go ahead and click the button and commit.